Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danica and this channel is all about helping you living your best vegan lifestyle. In this video, I'll share with you a vegan meal prep that you can make ahead for the week. So if you want to know more, then just keep on watching. For breakfast, I'm making some chocolate overnight oats. For that, you're going to need some quick oats, chia seeds, some protein powder. I'm using chocolate flavored, and any kind of plant milk. Then you're just going to add all the ingredients to your mason jar. Half a cup of oats, a teaspoon of chia seeds, a scoop of protein powder, and half a cup of plant milk. Then you just want to mix that all together. You might have some problem with the protein powder. If you do, just put some more milk in the cup and you'll be fine. I decided to add some fruits in my overnight oats. I added some raspberries, but you guys can add anything that you would like. Some bananas in there would be amazing. Now you just want to repeat all of the steps and make as many as you would like. This is such an easy breakfast that you can make ahead for the week, and it is so healthy. It has a lot of proteins because of that protein powder that we use, so it's gonna keep you full all morning. For lunch, I decided to make a Greek-inspired salad with a tahini sauce. You're going to need some kale and spinach, a tomato, 1 red onion, and a cucumber. You're also going to need a can of black olives and a can of chickpeas. Don't forget to drain and rinse your can of chickpeas. Now you just want to put all your ingredients together to form the salads. Now for the tahini sauce. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic. I also added about a teaspoon of water just to thin it out. And I also added a pinch of Italian spices. I drizzled the sauce on top of the salads, but you can also keep it in a bowl and just add it to your salad when you're ready to eat it. This is one of the best salads that I ever had. You guys need to try it. I was looking forward to eating it every dinner and I was craving it all week. It is so good. And for this last recipe, I made a tofu stir fry. First, you want to start by cooking up some rice. While the rice is cooking, I'm just gonna chop up my vegetables. I'm grating 2 carrots and also I'm chopping up a head of broccoli. I'm also using ginger for that extra flavor. Next, you want to fry up your tofu in a pan with some olive oil. Don't forget to press your tofu before you add it to the pan to remove that excess water. I actually forgot to film that part. You'll want to let the tofu fry up on the pan at medium heat for about 10 minutes until it is golden brown like this. Then flip your tofu so that everything can cook evenly and let it fry up for about another 10 minutes before adding your veggies. By then, your rice should be done and you're ready to assemble everything. For the sauce, I'm just mixing a tablespoon of peanut butter with a tablespoon of maple syrup and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix that all up and then you can drizzle it on top of your stir fry. This is a really easy meal that you can make ahead. And I think the sauce really gives it that extra flavor that you need. This recipe really has a lot of protein with the tofu and the peanut sauce, so it's gonna be really good to keep you going. This meal prep was so fun to make, and it took me about an hour or an hour and a half to make, and it makes plenty of food for the week. And also all these meals are really high in protein, so for that breakfast we had that protein powder, and also for the lunch we had those chickpeas, which are really high in protein, and that tahini sauce. And for lunch we have the tofu, which is really high in protein, and the peanut sauce. If you guys like meal preps, don't forget to tell me in the comments down below, because I would really like to make some more meal preps in the future. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more. Give this video a thumbs up so I know. And also leave a comment down below and tell me some video ideas that you would like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!